So this is part 2 of the Madrone ride at Canyon Lake. Once the Hero 7 died, I just swapped it with the Rylo. Now unfortunately I only brought one Rylo battery. It made it almost all the way to the very end. I think I missed maybe the last half mile, but it was nothing exciting. It's funny, the Rylo is a lot more stable, of course. I don't think you get as much depth in the video on the trail. I don't think you could see the features as well, and of course the quality is just a little bit lower. Now I will say, the weather conditions must have been perfect for this ride because the Rylo looks some of the best it's ever looked, honestly. So I switched to the Rylo now. You can probably tell. It's going to be a lot smoother, but definitely not as good looking as the Hero 7. It's cold. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh, that was a horrible line. Right into that rock. Damn. Ooh, awkward turn. Ooh. Barely made that. So many campsites. I don't think you can even camp at these now. I don't think they'd let you. Be kind of rude to just mountain bike right next to somebody's tent. And I'm sure somebody would definitely set up their tent on the trail and cause some trouble. Oh, Christ. Got that. Can't believe I saved that one. Ooh, feet bounced off the pedals. There we go. Get ready. Uh-oh. Ooh. Saddle is up. Ooh. Got rough. Ooh. I like the canary. Tree, watch your head. Oh, that sounded awful. Whoa, no. Yeah, can't. I'm afraid to pedal. There we go. Like whack a pedal every stroke. Oh. No, it's more. Time those pedal strokes. Oh. Oh, that's the trail. Okay. Yeah. Go for it. Great, my battery's almost dead. Hopefully I catch it. Battery's not gonna live. Oh my God. This is pretty crazy. Hang on a little longer, Rylo. I did not bring any extra batteries. You can do it, Rylo. I don't even know where the trail is. Whoa. That was pretty wild. All right, that's it. So I want to hear what you guys think. I know I've done this in the past already, and I kind of got mixed answers. I got to say I'm still leaning towards the Hero 7. I'm going to do more videos with the Hero 7 before I fully decide, but I think right now I'm going to kind of lean towards that. Now, it doesn't mean I'm going to stop doing things for the Rylo. In fact, I have a video that may already be out by the time this goes up, I'm not sure, talking about another way to maybe get a little bit more quality out of the Rylo. So if that's not up yet, look for it this weekend. I don't think it's going to be a game changer necessarily, but it may help you get a little bit more quality out of the Rylo if you have a Mac. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.